Something was unusual about the way the principal walked to the podium.
Good morning, sir.
What's happening?
Why is he crying? What is the matter, principal?
Sir,
Please.
take this.
Mr. Annabelle, please conclude the assembly immediately.
There was nowhere to hide from the puzzled looks.
Keep walking, don't mind them.
We're almost there. Straight to the office.
Why are they all staring?
I saw Nigeria in its acrobatic beauty. You might have been to London. You might have been to New York. And if you have not been to Jos, you must go there. Some said Jos used to be even more beautiful. Despite the crisis, it is still one of Nigeria's finest tourism cities. What happened to the principal? I've never seen him like that before.
Something must be wrong.
DEE Tutors, bringing learning to your doorstep.